Bakri produced a whole generation of artists, creative people in the city, and their effect is visible throughout the country. He set the standard, and I believe this city is, or this country is lucky to have him.
يعني قابلت ناس كثير، اشتغلت مع ناس كثيرين، ولكن على مر السنوات يظل بكري بالنسبة لي علامة فارقة ونقطة مميزة بين الناس اللي احتكيت معهم في الجانب المهني. يعني ناس من القلائل اللي هو مخلص لحرفته ولمهنته ومتمكن منها بشكل عميق، وانا بشوف الناس اللي بيخلصوا لعملهم بهذه الطريقه بتجيهم العوائد الغير عاديه. يعني الواحد لما بيصبر في نفس المجال بتلاقي بعد مرور سنوات بيكتسب خبره وعلاقات وفهم وادراك وتمكن صعب جدا انك انت يعني تشتريه بكنوز الدنيا. فيمكن هذه من ضمن الاشياء اللي موجوده عند بكري بشكل مميز ما شفته عند احد ثاني غيره.
بكري he's a photographer, he's a designer, he's a musician. Name it. Every art sort he has a talent in.
It's simple. If you want to work with one of the best people and get some of the best work, then you go to Bakri. I think when you get to know Bakri and you start working with him, you have to go through several no's from Bakri before he actually agrees that he's going to work with you on something. And I think that's absolutely exceptional. When he says yes, it means he's going to do it, and he's going to do it to the best of his ability. And the best of his ability, mashallah, is above all standards that you would find. And someone like that is priceless.
I've known him sharing his thoughts in what designs are in universities across the country. He has attained to young students' need. Bakri has been a leader in that thought for a long time.
His technical knowledge is absolutely second to none. Beyond the books that he's written, beyond the workshops and the teachings that he has been able to share with others, to me Bakri was the first, the foremost, and certainly the last of his kind.